Hello trader, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to share 15 minutes scalping price action trading strategy. And I will reveal how to day trade zones in multiple market scenarios like stock, forex and crypto market. A Bollinger Band is a technical analysis tool defined by a set of trend lines plotted to standard deviations, positively and negatively, away from a simple moving average, SMA, of a security's price, but which can be adjusted to user preferences. Bollinger Bands were developed and copyrighted by famous technical trader John Bollinger, designed to discover opportunities that give investors a higher probability of properly identifying when an asset is oversold or overbought.